Hey everybody, I'm Andy from Baker Drivetrain, and today we're going to talk about our TRK transmission rebuild kits and all the tools and a few tips that it takes to use our transmission rebuild kits. Tool A is our main drive gear tool, and our cup has a little more depth than any other one on the market, which helps completely seat your main drive gear, and when you're doing one of our installs especially. And not all the kits have quite the depth on some of those cups that you need, but you definitely don't want to be hammering in this stuff. It's much better to use the tool and press it in correctly. And this is the countershaft tool for all the countershaft bearings, for installing and removing your countershaft bearings. But also very important to pull those bearings in correctly. You don't want to just hammer them in. You could damage the bearing. Where using the correct tools will, lead to a correct installation. But another thing that's very simple and extremely important is a high quality set of snap ring pliers. And if you're doing any of this work, you want to make absolute sure that you get your snap rings completely seated, and that using this tool you get your main drive gear completely seated, or you could lead to all kinds of other problems and you'll be chasing until you find that one loose snap ring. Okay, another part of the process that we want to talk about is you have to remove all the gasket material. I tend to go as flat as I can, because I don't like digging into this surface. We don't want to mar this surface in any way. We want to leave a nice finish on it so it will seal up. But it's definitely very important to scrape all of your gasket surfaces. Another useful tool that will always make the process easier is to have a press on hand. Without a press, it's definitely much more difficult. So now we've moved on to our kit, and we just wanted to show everybody that our kits are very complete. There's nothing missing. All the bearings you need, all the snap rings and seals you'll need. We include a few extra gaskets to make sure that we cover all the models and any changes made production-wise within those models. But it's definitely a very complete kit, and I don't think anybody offers one as complete on the market. If you guys have any tech questions whatsoever, just give us a ring. Tech or parts, we're on the phone all day, every day. Thank you.